What's up, Kenny? Hey, how's it going, man?
Hey, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on just being right around the home. So as you guys have already know, which I've mentioned in videos before, I'm trying to update this house so that I can put it on the market to sell it. So today I am in the basement. I am touching up paint in the basement, which I've already done on this side. I've added a second coat of paint. I just have some imperfections on the ceiling that I need to take care of after that. And I'm also putting the carpet down. So far I've put down this side of the carpet. Yes, I did. Never done this before, but trying to be a DIYer. I figured I could try and do it myself before I paid someone a bunch of money to do it for me. So this is me doing this myself. So far I've got this side done, and I still have all of that side to do. So what I did was I moved everything from this side of the basement to that side of the basement. So now that I've already done the paint over here, the carpet is done, the seams are done, I'm going to move things from that side that belongs over here back over here, as well as the things that don't belong over here over here. This side of the basement is the kids play area is there. The family room area is here, which the TV goes there, and so we can sit and watch movies and stuff there. And then behind me on this side of the basement, behind me on this side of the basement is Kamari's area that I created because him and Keyshawn got older and I got tired of them bickering. So 1916, I made him his own area in the basement so he can have his own space. So what I did was I added these hooks here, and these hooks here go around, and then he curtains off, and this is his side of the basement. This here is the back door that goes upstairs. Nobody uses it, so I'm not concerned about that. But I'm going to bring you guys with me to see how much I can accomplish with getting this done. I've already been downstairs for about 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. And I just decided to pick the camera up and start filming. Go fig, right? But you guys will see me putting some of the carpet down. I'll show you some of it. So I have this part. Like I said, this part's all done. This is extra carpet here. All of that's already done. Over there. So I'm going to start here once I move the things that belong on this side. So you guys will be with me. You'll see some of it you won't see, but you'll see the finished product. So right now I'm going to start moving the kids stuff back into their area so that I can start working on more of the carpet. That's the kids stuff in the kids area. So I decided to paint this closet too, since everything's gray. Ooh, can't see anything. Turn light back on. Okay, since the whole outside of the basement is gray, I decided to paint the inside of the closet gray as well. So this is the original color. This is the gray. So there we go. That's what that'll look. So old color, new color. So I'm painting this and getting rid of all the old color.